Imagine a world where innovation is not reserved for the elite few, but a realm where everyone, everywhere, can turn their ideas into reality. Welcome to the Arduino Legacy, how one board changed the world. Here we embark on a journey of inspiration, resilience, and boundless creativity. In 2005, in a quaint town in Italy, a group of visionary pioneers dared to dream differently. At the Interaction Design Institute Ivrea, they ignited a spark that would blaze a trail across the globe. Their mission was simple yet profound: to create a tool that made technology accessible to all. Thus, Arduino was born. Meet Massimo Bonzi and his extraordinary team. They weren't just creating a microcontroller board, they were crafting a beacon of possibility. Named Arduino after a local bar and a historical leader, this board was designed to empower anyone with the spirit of innovation. Arduino isn't just hardware, it's a gateway to dreams. With its digital and analog pins, it opens up a universe of creativity. Whether you're connecting sensors, actuators, or simply exploring ideas, Arduino invites you to imagine, create, and innovate. From DIY robots to groundbreaking art installations, Arduino has become a canvas for imagination. It's a testament to what happens when creativity meets simplicity. Thanks to Arduino, dreamers everywhere are transforming their visions into reality. In 2008, a trademark dispute tested their resolve, but through every challenge, the spirit of Arduino remained unshaken. By 2016, they emerged stronger, proving that even the toughest obstacles can be overcome with perseverance and unity. Today, Arduino is a symbol of unyielding innovation, with millions of users and a growing range of products. It continues to break boundaries, inspire new ideas, and embrace new technologies. Arduino's journey is far from over. It's a call to action for dreamers everywhere. The legacy of Arduino is a shining example of what can be achieved when we believe in our dreams and push beyond limits. It's a reminder that technology isn't just for the select few. It's for everyone who dares to imagine, create, and make a difference. As we look ahead, Arduino's story continues to inspire. It's a journey of passion, resilience, and a shared vision of a world where every idea matters. So, take that spark of inspiration, harness it, and let your creativity soar. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Remember, the power to change the world lies within each of us. Embrace your potential, and who knows what you'll achieve next.